String time crystals. String time crystals and Bose-Einstein condensates. Therapeutic application in quantum feedback. Quantum biology. Time crystals and string theory offer frameworks to explore the quantum nature of biological systems. By examining the oscillatory behaviors of time crystals and the vibrational effects of string theory, researchers aim to understand how quantum phenomena could synchronize and influence biological processes at a fundamental level. Time crystals, synchronization. Time crystals synchronize with biological rhythms. Time crystals, being stable oscillating systems, entrain and resonate with biological oscillators, e.g. heartbeats, neural oscillations. Energy transfer dynamics, where time crystals' periodicity imparts a stabilizing influence on biological cycles, potentially reducing the effects of stress or improving cellular repair processes. String theory, resonance effects. String vibrations influence quantum states, such as quantum coherence, entanglement, and tunneling effects, in biological systems. Coupling mechanisms. Vibrational energy from strings affects molecular structures like proteins or DNA/RNA through quantum resonances and via fields that alter biochemical reactions at a fundamental level. Quantum states in biological systems. Biological molecules, cells, and tissues can exhibit quantum properties like superposition, entanglement, and coherence. These properties create a quantum information field that reflects the health status of a biological system. Chirality in DNA. Chirality refers to the geometric property where a structure is not superimposable on its mirror image. In the context of DNA, helical structure, DNA molecules are inherently chiral due to their double helical structure. The right-handed double helix is the most common form found in nature bDNA. In enantiomers, the two strands of DNA twist around each other in a specific right-handed fashion, meaning their spatial arrangement cannot be mirrored to look the same. Chirality coherence. Chirality synchronization and dynamic mirror symmetry breaking involves a balance between internal and external influences, where the alignment of molecular and structural chirality within the system facilitated by connectivity and cooperativity is influenced by interactions with chiral and achiral surfaces. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for designing V with desired chiral properties. Quantum interference between synapses. Quantum interference is essential in quantum computation because it allows multiple computations to be performed simultaneously. In orchestra OR, the quantum interference among different states of tubulin could enable complex, parallel processing of information at a quantum level. The dynamic instability and ability of microtubules to polymerize and depolymerize could be linked to quantum processes that affect synaptic function and neuronal signaling. Microtubules. Repeating, highly ordered arrangement in microtubules is crucial for maintaining stability and regularity, which is essential for supporting coherent quantum states and processes. Microtubules have inherent polarity allowing them to exhibit dynamic instability which could facilitate rapid adjustments in the quantum state, potentially important for quantum computation and maintaining coherence. These periodic dynamics and oscillations in growth and shrinkage phases are conceptually similar to the behavior of time crystals. Microtubule subharmonic oscillations. Microtubule excitation band in the MHz range 0.1 to 100 MHz when externally applied frequencies are triggered from 0.1 to 178 GHz at the 100 to 200 MHz gap. Experimental setup. An experimental setup when quantum interference measurement is used to find microtubules' excited oscillations frequencies. Environment-induced time crystals. Environment-induced time crystals (EITCs) provide a conceptual framework for understanding how structured, rhythmic interactions between an individual and their environment can catalyze significant positive changes in both perception and physiological states. Rhythmic interactions enhance cognitive processes, neuroplasticity promotes learning and emotional balance, biological rhythms govern bodily functions, rhythmic stimuli support homeostasis and healing, mind-body connection fosters holistic health. Therapeutic applications leverage rhythmic stimuli, behavioral modulation aligns with optimal health, resetting bodily rhythms improves chronic conditions. Spectroscopy in time crystals. Spectroscopy techniques, including two-dimensional electronic spectroscopy 2DES and spin noise spectroscopy, are crucial for studying time crystals by revealing their unique properties like subharmonic responses, coherence, and symmetry-breaking behavior. 2DES provides detailed insights into temporal correlations and interactions, while spin noise spectroscopy measures spontaneous spin fluctuations to detect natural spin dynamics and stability in time crystalline phases. These methods, along with optical, microwave, neutron scattering, and NMR spectroscopy, help explore the dynamic properties and potential applications of time crystals. Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. NMR can be used to observe quantum coherence through spin-spin coupling and relaxation times. It can also detect entanglement by measuring correlations between nuclear spins. Techniques like quantum state tomography can be employed to reconstruct the quantum state and verify entanglement. SQUID, Superconducting Quantum Interference Device. SQUIDs are used in various applications, including biomagnetism e.g. magnetoencephalography for brain activity mapping, geophysics detecting subtle magnetic anomalies, fundamental physics research measuring minute magnetic properties, and quantum computing qubit state measurement. Optically pumped magnetometers. Optically pumped magnetometers (OPMs) are highly sensitive devices used to measure very small magnetic fields, superior to MEG with a SQUID sensor. Their ability to detect extremely small magnetic fields allows researchers to measure subtle brain signals that might be influenced by quantum states, providing insights into neural activity at a very fine scale and the possibility of detecting quantum coherence or other quantum phenomena in the brain. String time crystals as a framework for brain and quantum brain network model showcased with the following diagram. String time crystals provide a framework for brain time crystals model, where oscillatory mode and string find their representation on the synaptic level via the microtubuli present in the synapses, further represented by brain's polytime crystal model and towards the quantum brain network with its dynamic tunneling resonance processes. Polytime crystals, brain time crystal. Polytime crystals, which is a model for the brain in holy string time crystals theory, is composed of multiple atomic or subatomic constituents. They are proposed to interact with the quantum information field due to their multidimensional periodicity. Polytime crystals contribute to brain functionality and neural processes by facilitating higher dimensional information exchange, thereby enhancing cognitive functions and perceptual abilities. For example, polytime crystals in neuronal microtubules might project holographic patterns that extend beyond their physical origin, suggesting a novel mechanism for quantum-based neuronal communication. Quantum diagnostics and string theory in physical therapy. Resonance-based therapy design. Concept: align electrostimulation frequencies with the healthy vibrational modes of biological systems, inspired by string theory. Mechanism: use frequencies that resonate with patient's natural quantum states to correct vibrational misalignments. Adaptive feedback and optimization. Continuous monitoring. Quantum sensors monitor vibrational states in real time during therapy. Adaptive feedback loops. Adjust frequencies dynamically using AI and machine learning based on patient response. Machine learning algorithms. Analyze session data to refine frequency selection and improve outcomes. Quantum diagnostic techniques. Quantum sensors and measurement. Advanced sensors detect and measure quantum states and properties of biological systems. Quantum tomography reconstructs quantum states from measurements to map out the body's quantum information field. Holographic health diagnostics. Based on the holographic principle, surface measurements e.g. skin conductance reflect the entire system's health. Allows for non-invasive diagnosis of internal conditions by analyzing surface data. Practical implementation of quantum therapy. Initial assessment: measure quantum states and identify deviations from healthy vibrational modes. Use string theory models to determine appropriate electrostimulation frequencies. Personalized therapy: implement tailored electrostimulation protocols based on patient's unique quantum information field. Adjust therapy in real time based on feedback from quantum state monitoring. Evaluation and optimization: reassess quantum states post-therapy to evaluate changes and refine future sessions. Continuously improve treatment effectiveness through data-driven adjustments. Therapeutic applications. Electrostimulation and quantum neurofeedback. AI network-generated health model used as a template provided as an input for the patient. Medbed for astronauts. In space travel, astronaut health is crucial, and technologies like the medbed and holographic doctors demonstrate how quantum theories could enhance medical care. The medbed provides immediate diagnostics and treatments, potentially using quantum principles to improve cellular health. Holographic doctors allow real-time consultations with Earth-based experts, using advanced quantum communication. These technologies show how quantum concepts can support astronaut health in space. String time crystals meditation. Example: deviation from random's outcome during special event. Average deviation from mean in a series of events, here GEHP events. There is an apparent connection between the behavior observed in Global Consciousness Project GCP generators and the concept of time crystals, particularly in the context of time wave network events. Human consciousness and global events might influence fundamental probabilistic processes in a regular, structured way, suggesting a deeper connection between consciousness, time, and physical reality. The universe could be a neural network. A network similar in structure to the human brain, where universe operates as an interconnected computational system, mirroring the structure and function of the human brain. This concept aligns with theories like bosonic string theory, time crystals, and biohology, where complex quantum behaviors, symmetries, and patterns, such as those seen in neural networks, could underlie fundamental processes of reality, including biological and cosmic phenomena. It implies that just as neural networks process information through interconnected nodes, the universe might function through a web of quantum states and interactions, creating a holographic, interconnected fabric of existence. Holistic string time crystals theory. The journey to fully comprehend and harness the potential of time crystals is just beginning. This interdisciplinary approach, which merges classical physics with quantum realities within a holistic framework, paves the way for a new era of scientific discovery, where the boundaries between the observer and the observed, the classical and the quantum, are continually redefined. Thank you. Dr. Hovdank Tadeusz, September 2024.